Now we use the tool Nessus for vulnerability scanning. So first we need to install the tool Nessus. So we can download the tool Nessus from the official website of Nessus. This is a paid tool. We can use the trial version. Now go to free trial to use the free version of Nessus vulnerability scanner. Try Nessus free for 7 days. Sudo apt install Nessus. Okay, it start installing. Okay, it install Nessus. So let's start the Nessus service by typing /etc slash init slash init dot t slash Nessus t start. Okay, so starting Nessus. Next, go to https double colon colon double slash galley colon 8834 to open the Nessus. https colon double slash galley then it basically used the port number 8834, so we need to call port 8834. So it's showing it connection is not secure. Go to advanced and then go to add exception, then get certificate, then confirm security exception, then Nessus will open, then start Nessus Essential. Now you need to keep your name, first name and last name. Now email ID, exploiter @protonmail.com. So I already have the activation code, so that's why I'm skip these steps. Otherwise you can get your activation code from here in this email ID. So for the time being I skip the part and it asking for activation code. Now here is my activation code and my mail ID. So copy this and put here. Now continue. Now you need to keep the username, now it's downloading plugins. It will take some time to download the plugins. Now it's compiling plugins. Now we successfully installed the tool Nessus. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to use the tool Nessus to find out the vulnerabilities for a particular system. Thank you.